Hello, welcome to FinDataC. Today, let's talk about how to identify those stocks with the price and volume uptrend. This trend often happens when we expect to see a continuous upwarding trend. First, we will observe consecutive rise in price, followed by an increase in the trading volume or turnover. When this happens, more and more people rush into the market, pushing the stock even higher. In this video, not only will show you which stocks had this remarkable trend in the past week, but also will teach you how to build your own algo to find them. Let's get down to some simple mathematics first. To identify an upward trend, we'll be looking at it from the value and the slope. Let's take price as an example. The simplest way to capture an increasing price is by comparing the price on the T-day and the T-1 day. Here, we could use the close price on T-day minus the close price on T-1 day. If it's positive, it's increasing. The next criteria is slope or gradient. The gradient is represented by the hypotenuse in a right triangle. In ideal situation, in a strong trend, we want to see an increasing slope. To calculate the slope of a right triangle, we use the length of the vertical side divided by the length of the horizontal side. During a period of time, could be 2 days, 3 days, or 4 days. If we could observe both an increasing value and an increasing slope, then our upward trend is established. Okay, so now let's take a look at those stocks rising continuously in the past week. Here, our sample is from New York Stock Exchange, taken from over 3,000 shares. I've done the analysis ahead, so I know that there's no stock showing a pattern for 5 days. So let's take a look at the list for those showing a pattern for 4 days. We've got 7 stocks here, and I'm lining them up by turnover from the largest to the smallest. As an example, let's take a look at LPI and see how it performs on the chart. Here's the stock chart for LPI, Laredo Petroleum. And we can clearly see that there's been an increase in volume and price in the past 4 days. In fact, we can see that in the past 2 weeks, this stock has been continuously rising. So let's keep it in our watch list and see how it goes in the future. Come back to our list. Apart from New York Stock Exchange, we'll also take samples from Nasdaq, consists of over 4,000 shares. Jump straight to our list. Nasdaq has 12 stocks showing a 4 days pattern. Let's take a look at the candlestick chart for Alta, the top one on the list. Here's the chart. We can see that once the stock drops to its bottom on the 24th of May, it goes on for a strong rally. Besides New York and Nasdaq, let's also take a look at the American Exchange. The American Exchange has significantly fewer stocks listed, only about 300. We failed to find any stocks showing a 4 days trend, so instead, we take a look at the 3 days. Thanks for watching. Today we've gone through our mathematics, and also we've shown you those stocks following a price and volume uptrend in Nasdaq, New York Stock Exchange, and American Exchange. In the next video, we'll walk you through step by step how to build your own algorithm to find these stocks. If you like this video, please give us a thumb up and also subscribe to our channel. See you next week.